Dear friends, lupus or SLE is a very dreadful disease nowadays. From a long time, a large number of patients are inquiring about the treatment and the prognosis of lupus under Ayurveda. We are treating lupus from the last 25 years. As you all know that lupus is basically, SLE is basically a autoimmune disorder in which our all immune system engulf our all body mechanism, and that creates a problem. In lupus there are basically main 5 symptoms. First of all, that is known as kidney related problem. In this it is also known as lupus nephritis. Kidney are not functioning very well, urea is going on increasing, creatinine is going on increasing, and the patient becomes a kidney patient with lupus or lupus nephritis. Number 2, when joint pains are associated with lupus, it again becomes a problematic situation for the patient. Patient can't take so much of painkillers and all non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, so again there is a problem. Number 3, when skin manifestations are associated with lupus, either there may be some butterfly rashes on the cheeks or some rashes and eczema in any part of the body. Number 4, in some cases fever is also a very dominant sign. So there is no reason, there is no any investigation in which some particular solid reason are coming out. So in this case, when this lupus is confirmed, then fever is the main sign and symptom. And number 5, that is very obvious, because weakness, it is very dominant, it is very obvious, because when our ojas is very low, then only lupus can present itself in our body. So what we do, we have to treat the patient from the root cause by treating the immune system of the body. And what we do, there is a very unique formulation which we have to definitely give, either it may be Immunoplus or Immunoplus Gold according to the situation. And after that we have to take care each and every sign and symptom very carefully. Some patient ask that how we come to know that we are suffering with lupus. It's very simple. You can go for some good Ayurvedic physician or some nearby physicians, and when laboratoryically you get ANA very positive, DSA DNA very positive, and with all the symptoms which I have mentioned to you, it is confirmed that you are suffering with lupus or SLE. We have to give the treatment in such a way so that we can increase the ojas in the body. And when ojas can be increased only when all the 7 dhatus are fully nutrients. Ras, Rakt, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. When all these 7 dhatus are in their proper nutritions value, then only ojas can be up to the highest value. So we have to cover lupus by giving the all combination of herbs which are meant to increase the ojas, which have to balance the immune system. Not increase, not decrease, but balance the immune system. Only then we can fight this SLE or lupus. And yes, pretty sure that this can be treated with Ayurveda, and from Ayurveda Yogashram we are treating this disorder from the last 25 years. We have a very testimonials are present on our YouTube channel and on our website also. Please, if you have suffering with the problem, please write on comment section and or call us or WhatsApp on our doctor's panel. They will guide you. They will just make a history analytical study of the case and then give you the exact treatment. If you want to listen some other disorder, some other problem, please like our channel, subscribe our channel, and write on the comment box so that we can give you the best Ayurvedic knowledge in any stream of the world. Thank you.